How to open an FBS account. Hello everyone. Today, I will guide everyone on how to open an FBS account in the simplest and most accurate way. To open an FBS account, access the following address, trading68.com/FBS. Or you can click on the link in the description of this video to open an FBS account. Let's get started. This is the interface after accessing FBS. To open an FBS account, click Open Account. You enter your email and full name here. Click Register as Trader. FBS requires you to create a password. Note, the password must be Latin letters only, at least 8 characters, at least 1 lowercase letter, at least 1 digit, at least 1 uppercase letter. I will give you an example on the screen for your reference. You re-enter the password here. Then, click Create Password. FBS has sent a confirmation link to your email. Open a new tab to access your Gmail. This is the email that FBS sent to me. If you cannot find the FBS email in the inbox, click on More. Then click on the Spam section to check. Now, let's open the email FBS sent. Click Confirm Email. Your email has been successfully confirmed. Click Proceed to continue. In the account opening section, there are 2 types, Real Account and Demo Account. I will open a Real Account. In the Real Account, there are 2 types, Standard Account and Cent Account. I choose Standard Account because it brings optimal trading conditions for traders of all levels. Go to Account Settings section. You need to answer some questions for trading platform, account currency, and leverage. Trading platform. I choose MT4. Account currency. I choose USD. Leverage. I choose 1:2000. After finishing, you click Open Account. Go to Verification part. There are 2 verification methods, full verification and express verification. Full verification offers unlimited deposit and withdrawal capabilities, providing greater flexibility. In express verification, the deposit and withdrawal limits are under $2,000. Therefore, you should choose full verification because it brings more benefits. Click Get Verification. If you are not a citizen or resident of the United States, click here. If you are, click here. Then, click Continue. In the next step, you select type and issuing country of your identity document. In issuing country, if you want to change, click here. Select document type. You can choose driver's license, ID card, or passport. I choose ID card. Then, click Continue. Go to the photo upload step. Here are some requirements when you upload photos, please read carefully. If you want to upload documents by phone, click here. Or click here to upload a photo of the front of your document using your computer. Similarly, click here to upload a photo of the back of the document. After uploading the photo successfully, click Continue. This message lets you know your verification is being processed. After the identity verification process is complete, you can proceed to deposit and start trading. Now I will introduce some important information about your account. This is the real MT4 standard account that I have created. If you want to open more accounts, click here. Then you click Add New Account. This is the Account Information section. Here you have information about server name, account number, password, and leverage. To log into the FBS account you just created into the trading platform, you need server name, account login number, and account password. Now, you can log into your account and start trading. You can refer to the video tutorial how to download and use MT4 and MT5, which I have given in the description of this video. Thus, I have finished guiding you on how to open an FBS account. I wish you success in the account opening process. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos.